Chef Gong, and we are
Monster
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street, what do you want to make? Go ahead, tap the food you want to make. Elmo's peanut butter banana and honey sandwich. Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey. Oh no, looks like we're missing honey. Come on, we gotta go get some more. To the honeybee farm.
Come on, let's drive to the honeybee farm. Tap to start driving.
We're going to the honeybee farm.
We made it to the honeybee farm. Honey comes from a honeycomb made by bees. Tap to collect you bees.
Time to cook.
To make peanut butter banana and honey sandwich.
Make sure to get it all over.
Then peel the banana.
Next.
Now, bunga. Now add the honey.
Make sure to, and last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gongs away! It's ready!
Now it's order of. Enjoy your sandwich, Elmo. What do you want to make next? Go ahead.